talking to myself. I hate talking to myself when I'm not alone. But it's supposed to be really hot today. It is currently 88 at 8:45 in the morning, which is a little bit ridiculous. There's been a heat wave that's taken over half the country, and we were going to go to a picnic today, but is that gonna happen? I got a Roomba. That's pretty exciting. My fiance tried to test it last night and he said it wasn't picking up anything, so we'll try again today when it's not 10:30 at night on Friday. But I got a lot of chores to do. Let's see if this works. Uh-oh, don't get stuck. It's picking up stuff. Uh-oh. I don't know what we're gonna do about this cord.
It's not picking up anything. I don't know what you're talking about.
There was some stuff it picked up.
Well, like it's missing. It's just missing a bunch of stuff.
It's because it's hard for it to get in the corners because it's
no,
round.
it's like going over it and it's not.
It's not. It needs to go over on the left side of the body though, not the right side.
But even over there, like look, it just needs to get fixed up.
I don't know. It's its first time. Give it a break.
Not have to
Joseph, you're not very good at your job. Hard work. There's the fuel. I gotta find a cup to put this delicious stuff in.
We have two wine glasses that are clean.
Where?
Up on the clean area. They're clean.
Up in the clean area.
I don't know, the cabinet. Where we keep the clean dishes. They're there.
Need a better place for this.
Giant bowl. How about this one? You need this mixing bowl? Are you gonna need this? You already need a mixing bowl. The ceramic bowl.
Why would I need a ceramic bowl?
I don't know. To put the stuff in? Alright, so...
Quite a...
Alright, so I take the knife. Right. How am I to? I don't think this knife is particularly sharp.
Perhaps not. Okay. I have to cut the cilantro. I didn't say what we were making. Lime cilantro chicken. And what are you making?
I am making, well, they call it Mexican corn. It's
Mexican corn
it's
with
corn,
cilantro.
Corn, cilantro, Mexican cheese, but I'm using feta instead. Mayonnaise.
Hopefully our mayonnaise isn't expired.
We have mayonnaise packets that I'm going to use.
I need a knife too. This seems like a good idea. I don't know how to cut cilantro. any of us actually know what we're doing?
This part
The answer is
part comes
never.
in easily. It's like different based on like.
Is this right? Probably not. It smells delicious. Maybe not.
Everything about everything about everything about everything do everything about everything about everything. So we can make
Corn. Literally everywhere. We're gonna have to get Joseph. Joseph! We need you.